Okay, so this is a quick look at this solder that I just bought from Banggood.com. It's supposed to be a 6337 lead solder, and the thickness is 1mm, and it costs £3.90. I think there's 200 grams of solder. I thought that was a good price, but this stuff is not very good whatsoever. I don't know whether it's just this one, or they may have a particular batch of it which is bad, but it just does not flow properly. And the joints it makes are next to useless. Yeah, when the solder cools down, it's got all like slag in it, and it looks porous. I've tried it with flux as well, and exactly the same thing. And in fact, introducing the flux into it makes it even worse. So I don't know what that's about, but definitely seems like there's possibly some contamination with the solder, but it just does not flow very well, and it's not very good solder whatsoever. May just be this batch, don't know. But I'm going to contact Banggood about it and see what they come up with anyway. Okay, so thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.